boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight.
Let me tell you something. Girls need love too. Yeah, girls need love too. Girls need love. Let me tell you something. Girls need love. Girls need love. Girls need love.
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So Jameka. In today's video I'm going to be doing a day in my life / maintenance vlog. I'm not sure what this is going to be. This might be a 2-day routine, but I don't know. So I'm gonna get my nails done today. I decided that I'm gonna stop looking like a bum and I'm gonna do my nails and toes. So I'm gonna be heading to that appointment. I don't know if I'm going to be recording that part or show a little bit of snippets of that part, but we can see what happens. It's gonna take us like 5 to 6 minutes to get there. They're in my area, so yeah, y'all gonna see the road, but I can show y'all where she is because she's doing it from my home. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It's hot outside. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below, and let's get this video on the road. 1,000 subscribers. Let's go.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, sending action. These days no Kumaye, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stutter till I die.
I don't wanna give you mine, I don't wanna
completed. So now I'm gonna go inside the beauty store, the new Beautylicious. I've been in here once and it wasn't all that. It didn't have everything what I wanted and the prices is not all that either. So I'm gonna see what I can find so I can do something with my hair for this full maintenance vlog. I only got like $30, so we can see what we can get. Yeah, I'm just gonna get back home. I'm gonna try to see if I could do some knotless. I gotta watch a lot of videos to do some knotless, and I should be straight. 2 pack of hair. I'm gonna see if I could try to attempt to do knotless for and so I'm about to go inside Marco's because I ordered a pizza. I just been doing a lot, spending a lot of money. So after this, I promise this is the last time I spend money. I just wanted to do something nice for myself. So yeah, and I gotta finish editing the video before this, the video that I'm gonna post before this video. So yeah, I did a little extra stuff so this video could be a little longer, so I hope y'all appreciate me.
Let me tell you something. Girls need love, yeah. Girls need love, girls need love. Let me tell you something. Girls need love, girls need love, girls need love. Girls need love. Let me tell you something. Girls need